Advertising costs have increased exponentially in 2024 on Amazon. What this means is there is more competition than there ever has been, irrespective of the category that you sell in as a seller. In today's video, I'm going to talk about something which is absolutely free that you can utilize in 2024 to gain more visibility in your category on Amazon. I am Shival Choksi. I'm the co-founder of Your Seller. We are a team of Amazon experts and a registered, verified Amazon Ads partner agency, and we help sellers build a sustainable and a profitable business on Amazon. So I'm going to refer to Amazon Posts. It was launched as a program a few years back, but till today, not a lot of brands are capitalizing on it. Think of it as a miniature version of Instagram, but on Amazon, that you as a brand can utilize and extract some amazing value out of it. So typically you would go about posting content that you otherwise would not post on your product page. It's basically any kind of lifestyle videos or photos or content that basically gives a shopper a really good idea of what the actual product is supposed to be used like in the real world. Now, this goes a long way in giving them information and being up to speed with what the brand stands for. Like how you would manage your Instagram handle is how you would want to basically manage this. So it is primarily meant for mobile shoppers, which obviously in today's day and age accounts for a majority of them. It's basically going to get seen on your product page under a section where it says products related to this item, as well as on your brand store page. By the way, yes, you need to be a brand registered seller in order for you to access Amazon Posts. So why exactly is something like this important? There are three main reasons why I feel every brand must invest into Amazon Posts. The first, you get to basically differentiate from competition, where not only, you have to focus on the basics, which is creating your listing page, optimizing it, getting your main image correctly done, getting your text content, whether it is titles, bullet points, descriptions, everything done properly. But at the same time, you have to focus on things like these, which are not as obvious, which not a lot of other brands are not capitalizing on. And this will really help you gain a lot of market share from that visibility perspective of where you stand as a brand across all these possible avenues. Second, it's absolutely free. And you get to track every post with measurable insights. And there's a dashboard that Amazon gives you where for each post, you'll be able to see the kind of impressions it got, the engagement that it got, whether it was helpful to you or not. It's quite comprehensive and well structured. Third, it will help you from an SEO perspective as well, because all the captions that you add are SEO friendly and it will help your products to index and rank higher up. Not only that, you will also be able to add category specific tags into the posts feature. And it's, I think, one of the most underrated areas that you can utilize. So this brings us to the question on how often should we be posting. It's no different than Instagram, and unfortunately, there's no right answer to it. But in our experience, we have seen brands who have access to this kind of lifestyle content go super aggressive and posting twice a day to extract some tremendous value out of it. And we have had brands who have basically only done like 2 posts a week. In either case, it's still better than not doing anything, because we strongly believe into the concept of anything is better than nothing. So depending on the kind of content you have and the access to content that you might have, you can identify what really works for you or not. So if you have not invested yet or put your efforts into Amazon Posts, I highly recommend you do an A/B test onto your brand, where everything else is constant, whether it is your ad spends or your organic ranking strategy, everything is basically the same as before. And you go really aggressive after Amazon Posts to see if it's creating a difference. Now, we did a similar test with one of our clients as soon as in April 2024, and we saw a bump of 17% in organic sales just because of posts. So again, if you have not invested into it, I would really recommend that you test it for yourself and see if it works or not. I hope you found this helpful. If you need help with anything within the Amazon Posts or in the Amazon ecosystem, you can book yourself a free consultation by going to yourseller.in, and we'll be happy to help. Again, I hope this was insightful. Thank you for watching. Take care.